Burned out and broke? Here's the game changer. If I would have known what I'm about to share with you years ago, my life would have looked so different today. I spent so many years caught in the grind, working long hours, worrying about bills, and feeling like no matter how hard I tried, I never had enough time or money to truly enjoy life with my family. I remember missing out on simple moments, birthday parties, spontaneous outings, even quiet dinners, because I was either exhausted or stressed about finances. I told myself, I'm working hard now so they'll have a better future. But the truth? I was robbing myself of the present. And I bet if you're watching this, you felt the same way. Maybe you're trading hours for dollars that disappear as fast as they come. Maybe you're worried about what retirement looks like, or scared you've waited too long to make change. Here's what changed everything for me. One day I realized more hours at work were not the answer. More hustle without strategy was just burning me out, and I needed a different approach, a smarter, simpler way to earn that didn't drain my energy or steal my time from my family. I started looking for a proven system, something designed for people like us, people who didn't grow up with social media or tech at their fingertips, who want financial freedom and time freedom. And I found it, a blueprint that is showing me how to build a steady online income working just a couple hours a day. That was the moment I realized it wasn't about working harder. It was about working smarter, and having a clear step-by-step path made all the difference. The system I'm following is giving me exactly what I needed. A simple daily step that fit into my busy life. A supportive community of people who understand the struggle. A way to create multiple streams of income that didn't depend on me being on 24/7. I didn't have to figure it all out myself. I didn't have to get lost in tech or chase every new trend. Instead, I have spent 30 minutes a day creating 3 short videos, 30 minutes replying to comments, and 1 hour posting free ads or going live. In just 2 focus hours a day, I'm building momentum. Momentum that's bringing me clarity, progress, and renewed hope for the future. Now imagine what you could do with that kind of freedom. More time for your grandkids or your kids, more spontaneous trips, more peace of mind knowing your bills are covered and your future is secure. You don't have to wait for the right time. You don't need to be tech savvy or have a huge following. You just need the right system and the courage to start. The best part? This can be your story too. You can rewrite your future and start making memories now, not later. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building the life you deserve, comment ready below and I'll send you the exact blueprint that is changing everything for me and can change your life too. Let's make those memories happen starting today.